Winding the bobbin on a white rotary. This is a 1909 that I have. You can see a groove up in here where my finger is. That's where the thread will go through. And then it goes between the spring and a little guide at the very tip here. And that's your tension screw right there. So what you got to do, I put my thumb deep down inside the cavity and pull it up until it pops in place. Okay, and once it's in place, I come up out of the cavity and bring it through a groove on the side. Once I'm all in, okay, I'll wind it up and pull. I can feel it's there and through the tension. That's how you put in that case.